go take some bird pictures. Ryan has been pretty big on wildlife photography recently, so he rented this humongous zoom lens, and we're gonna test it out in 2 nearby parks, and hopefully we can capture some cool birds in action. Did you find a map?
Yeah. So it looks like we should go either on like either the Marsh Trail or the Slough Trail, but we're like right here right now.
How long is the trail?
Not too long. This one's pretty long. This one doesn't look that long. Well, let's just do this little one. Go to like to the right and see the water and everything.
Okay, let's go. Oops, anything there?
Some ducks.
There's some ducks.
Nothing too cool. A lot of stuff.
Probably small birds. Can you see? I hear stuff. I'm gonna keep going forward. Ducks. More ducks. They must have so much food in this water. So hard to see it. Oh, it's gone.
What up? I'm having a lot of difficulty so far. I'm not very good at this.
Like taking pictures?
I thought that renting this enormous lens would make me better at this, but I'm still very bad.
I think the fact it's so big makes it difficult.
Well, the fact that it's so big makes it zoom. Otherwise, it'd be like 3 pixels. Oh wow, that was cool.
Did you take a good one?
But it's really dark.
Okay, the one is still up there. I'm gonna take one. It'd be funny if you take the best picture in the parking lot.
That would be great. The first couple I took at really high shutter speeds, right? Because I was walking around all the time.
Yeah.
And those look like crap because it was too dark. But the last couple, when I was on the ground there, they look unbelievably good.
Okay, you have to show me where to get that.
So I think for this whole walk, I got like one good picture.
In the parking lot. Oh, and the color is so vibrant. Nice. Good job.
Thank you!
Okay, Ryan, how do you like our bird watching experience so far?
So far, so I enjoy the nature. We haven't had a lot of bird luck.
We saw the pelicans back there.
We did see the pelicans, which are
And
cool.
we saw the crane.
Yeah, we did see that nice, great. I think it was a heron. But otherwise, I expected there to be more birds because this is the Baywatch Trail. I expected there to be a lot of birds by the bay, but it turns out it's mainly just ducks.
And seagulls.
And seagulls.
And little sparrows.
Yeah, and every once in a while there's something interesting.
Okay.
But they're like 1,000 feet away.
I know.
In terms of the lens.
Yeah, how do you like your lens?
I do like it a lot. It's very heavy.
Yeah.
And I think it's not very practical for literally anything else other than what we're doing right now. So I don't think I would buy it. I think this was I'm going on a birding weekend, I'm gonna rent it kind of thing. It's also very heavy.
How heavy it is?
It's 4.5 pounds, I believe. Where compared to the other one,
Okay, put it on the table because I can't.
It's also about 4 meters long.
It's not fun. That's exaggeration.
So yeah, very heavy. It's very good quality, and I like the internal zoom, which is nice. With a quarter, almost like a fifth of the circumference is the throw, so you can go zoom from 200 to 600 very quickly. But the other one's about this long. Actually, it's somewhere around here.
Which is the other one?
100 to 400, and it is supposed to be better. It's supposed to be higher quality, and it's more versatile because you can actually use it for stuff that's less than 10 feet away, 7 feet away.
I know. I've been asking him to take a picture of me,
but I can't because I have to go into like Arizona to be able to take a picture. So that's my review.